Here we go.
It's finally here. Asa to?
Here.
It's finally here.
What's that?
Ano ni?
What does it say? What's inside? It goes this one.
Yeah.
It goes in paper. Alam ka ng plastic ba? Everything. There you go.
Cake. It's my birthday.
For your birthday.
Yeah.
Nice one. It's your second one.
Yes.
Ayaw, bite.
Para easy pa.
Ayaw.
I thought it will be a
Show the box first.
no.
What's inside? What can we possibly check?
I think I get this.
What are those characters, man? What are
Look,
these?
look cute kina si Fog
So yun yun.
and Glow.
Fog. This one?
Sunshine.
Sunshine. This
Okay.
one.
Thunderstorm, Dixel, and Rainbow, and Chlor.
Chlor.
Okay, let's open it.
This is the weather
Forest.
forecast.
Forecast. Nomni!
Okay, open.
Why is it red?
Yeah, balisik. Inside. Another.
Careful not to broke it.
Careful not to broke it.
Look.
Easy. Where's your other nomni one? There. Say your name. Ano?
I can already see it.
You can already see it. What do you think? Who's do you think?
Where is it?
What do you think? Characters.
It's darkness. Yay.
Darkness. Look how cute. It shows you. Shows the camera.
You says what?
Shows what? Darkness.
Look.
I-check yung eyes daw lang ga. Ano sa man yung eyes?
This
How
in
many?
this tree, of course.
Three.
It's hers. The eyes are soft. When it's in
What
Shopee.
else pa man sa box? There's the card. The card and what else?
Darkness. Chain. And this thing.
Nice. Kailan na siya dress? Just Wednesday dress.
Is it the box?
You have to nomni na?
I'll have the both. And this is the
Christmas.
yes.
Nice. See eyes. This one.
Oh my god, it's bigger. Look, it's bigger.
Mas big man siya. Yeah, your ears. Bunny din sila. Nice lang ga. What can you say?
Thank you, Nadine.
Welcome.
Bye-bye.